Have you ever felt forgotten, like you're too far gone, or that no one would come looking for you? Jesus tells a powerful story that proves you matter deeply to him. This is the parable of the lost sheep and why Jesus cares for the one. In Luke 15:4-7, Jesus says, "Suppose one of you has 100 sheep and loses one of them. Doesn't he leave the 99 in the open country and go after the lost sheep until he finds it?" To most people, losing one out of 100 might not seem like much. But to Jesus, that one is everything. He's not content with almost all. He wants you. The heart of this story is love. Not a love that waits for perfection, but a love that pursues the broken. Jesus isn't just a good teacher. He's the good shepherd who searches for you when you're lost, tired, or afraid. You might be wandering, but he knows your name. He knows your wounds, and he refuses to leave you behind. When the shepherd finds the lost sheep, Jesus says he rejoices. He doesn't scold the sheep. He doesn't shame it. He celebrates it. "Rejoice with me, I have found my lost sheep." That's how Jesus feels when you return to him. All of heaven throws a party, not because you were perfect, but because you came back. So if you feel like the one, if you've strayed, if you're ashamed, if you wonder whether God still cares, hear this: Jesus is still looking for you. And when he finds you, he doesn't bring condemnation. He brings joy. You are not forgotten. You are the one he came to save. If this message touched your heart, take a moment today to talk to Jesus. He's listening. And if you know someone who feels lost, share this with them. Let them know Jesus cares for the one.